patentability tool will concentrate on a single invention disclosure or technology domain, and it will help to check out whether the invention under consideration is patentable or not. The first step is that you have to check whether your invention or the invention disclosure under consideration falls under discovery category. So, first step is to check whether that invention under consideration is a discovery or whether it is an invention as per the Patent Act, because discoveries cannot be patented. So, what is the discovery? It is exploring the existing knowledge or discovering the natural phenomena. So, for example, if you discover some microorganism or if you discover some planet, or if somebody is from chemical engineering or chemistry background and if he or she discovers some elements which is already present in the nature, that thing will not be patentable.